Alright guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wayne. I got a quick and short and sweet video for you. I'm going to show you how to deauthorize a Bluetooth device in your car. You know how you go in your car, you see other people's name in your car, you want to get rid of it, or even if you go, you rent a car. Not really rent, but you got the loaner car from Mercedes-Benz dealership, and you know, you want to add your phone to the car, so if someone calls you, the car picks up, the audio system picks up. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that extra phone that you don't like, or extra Bluetooth device that you don't like. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera view. And right now, we're in the car. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the back button. I'm going to go to the main menu on the screen, scroll all the way to system. I'm going to actually push this down. And we're gonna go down to Bluetooth device, and you see how you have my phone there, and you have other people's phone, and let's go ahead and highlight a phone that we want to get rid of. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna highlight it. You're gonna take this, you're gonna move it that way to the left. So I'm gonna actually move it to the left, and you see where it says deauthorize. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna push this down, going down like that. So let's go ahead and push that down. And it's going to give you, do you want to deauthorize the device? You're going to turn this that way. So watch what happens when I turn it that way. You're going to hit yes. You got rid of that. So let's get rid of another phone. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to highlight it. We're going to go ahead and push this to the left like that. And we're going to push down for deauthorize. And we're going to turn it this way. So now it goes to the yes, and that's gone. And we're gonna go ahead and do it again. Same thing, deauthorize, yes, and we'll just go to Anna's phone again. We're gonna push to the left this way, deauthorize. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna push down, and you're gonna turn the knob this way, turn it like that, push down. It's gone. So let's see who else we got. We'll get rid of these iPhones as well. Push to the left, deauthorize, yes. We'll go up, push to the left, deauthorize, yes. And we do the last thing, push to the left, deauthorize, yes. And now you only see my phone. The Galaxy S10 was what I had before. Right now I have the S22, so we can do the exact same thing. We're gonna go ahead, push to the left, deauthorize, turn, yes. All right, so now we're done. We'll go back, and that's how you basically get rid of unwanted phone that shows up in your Bluetooth. So hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you soon.